This is the neighborhood, Meadow Stream in Ooltewah. Such a great location. Such a great neighborhood. So this one will be ready for showings this coming Friday. Beautiful, spacious living room, your coat closet, formal dining room. This is really awesome. You have this extra space that could be office that goes upstairs to the bonus room, a huge laundry room. So I don't have the lights on in here. But look, you could put another refrigerator in here. And then this goes out to that screened-in porch. And you have this beautiful, large backyard.